Okay, question 8 is our PMCC question. We need to work out the product moment correlation coefficient based on this table of information here. They've given us the summary data, which is good. There's two ways to work this out. You can use your calculator because they've given us the table data, and I've done a video on how to do this if you want to look that up. It's a really quick method, but if you make a mistake you won't get any credit at all. You won't get any of the 3 marks. So I tend to just use the calculator method as a check. If you want to do that, as I said, look it up on my videos and you will find it. I'm going to do it the long way that you will get method marks for if you make a mistake. So that involves working out SXX, SXY and SYY. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. The equations for this is in your formula booklet, but you should know them by the time you sit your exam. So SXX is the sum of x squared, which is 1136, minus the sum of x squared over n. So 1136 minus 88 squared over 8 is 168. So we don't need to remember that number, that's not going to be very difficult to remember. Let's do SYY next. Is the same thing but with the y's, so that's going to be the sum of y squared, which is 34.52, minus the sum of y all squared over 8 again, which is 0.9. Another nice number to remember. And SXY is the sum of your xy, so 168.6 minus sum of x times sum of y, so 88 times 16.4 over 8. .4 over 8 gives me negative 11.8. So that tells us we're going to have a negative correlation. Formula for R, for PMCC, is then this number, your SXY, over the square root of the other two times together, over SXX times SXY, sorry, SYY square rooted. So if we type that in, I've got a PMCC value to 3 significant figures of negative 0.9596, so negative 0.960 to 3 significant figures. So that shows a very strong negative correlation. Does it ask us to comment on it? No, it doesn't. It just asks for the value. So because it's so close to -1, that shows a really strong negative correlation.